Level 4. Atlas elevator. What? I like this elevator. Caution, may be slippery when wet. Use handrails. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Oh, we got an empty parking lot. Get off the balcony. Oh no, hey, be careful, mister. What? Look at the whole world. I like this empty parking lot. Mama and Adam, elevator tour. Let's do an echo. Hi. What? Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Elevator. This is the stairwell. Now we're gonna go to level 5 and we're leaving level 4. What? This is a red elevator, guys. A red elevator. Level 5. I like this elevator. Look at the buttons. Look at the red buttons. Say hi, guys. Do your way. Oh, did you hear the ding? Listen to that motor. Ooh. What? I like this. Wow. Did you hear the ding? Did you hear the ding? Empty parking lot. Look at this balcony. Oh my goodness. Look at this Be careful. Wow, look at the world. I like this world. Oh, look at the birds. Super cool. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hey, I like.
Say, this is our YouTube video. We like this YouTube. Elevator tour. Let's go. Level 6. Last level. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Yeah. Now, no, you press up, not down. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Good work, Adam. That's the stairwell. Oh, it's here. Red elevator, Atlas elevator. Press 6. What? Don't touch, don't touch. That's a dangerous button. Watch this. Wow. Hear the ding? Listen to the motor. He likes the motor. It's an old elevator. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh, level 6, last level. What? What's it? Oh, no way! The sky! Look at this, guys. You'll never believe this. Look at this elevator tour. This is the best elevator tour yet. An open sky area balcony. What? Say, I like this. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Say, I love you.
Hey, oh.
Kiss. Oh, we did that. Wait for mom. Elevator tour is officially at number 6 level, and that was the best elevator tour yet. Oh, look at me. Adam, wait, no, come with mom. Elevator tour. I have the stroller. No, let's go, Adam. Hey, elevator. Adam, elevator. Hey, elevator, Adam. Let's go. All right, bye, Adam. Mom's leaving. You better hurry, mister. Bye, elevator. You better press the button before mom does. 1, 2, 3. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Look in the mirror. Who do you see? What? Yeah, he tried to take off on me on the stairwell. You better hurry, mister. Ooh, he did it. He pressed every button there was in town. This elevator is gonna break. I'm scared. I'm scared. You got nerve, mister.